how to get a verified TikTok account. To get a verified TikTok account, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. Now, from the home page, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Once you are in the Profile page, tap on the three bars at the top right corner. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. From this page, tap on the Support option. After that, select the Help Center option from the menu. Then, type the command as shown in the video and hit the search icon. You will find results for verifying your TikTok account. Tap onto this first article over here. Now, tap onto this prompt how to get verified on TikTok. You will see guidelines on how to request verification on TikTok. Now scroll down and tap on Submit a request through our online form. After that, you will be taken to this page. You have to fill up all the necessary information here. Once you are done, tap on Submit. TikTok will get back to you with the solution. So by following these simple steps, you can get a verified TikTok account.